More violence erupting on South Beach to tell you about. A man was shot and killed last night.
It comes amid a recent rise in crime as spring break is in full swing. Let's go now to Local 10 News reporter Annalise Garcia.
She is live on Miami Beach with another developing situation on South Beach, a dispute involving a gun.
Good afternoon. Yes, this is all happening on the corner of Drexel Avenue and 16th Street. Take a look behind me. You can see there are several police here right now. There's even a prisoner transport here. They just put a woman in that van right there. There's also a crime scene unit here. Now police and some tactical gear going in and out of that white building right there that says Apartments Best Prices on it. Now Miami Beach Police tells us earlier today they received a 911 call of a dispute involving a firearm on Drexel Avenue. They tell us there was a dispute that escalated and that there was a firearm indeed involved when they arrived. A man and a woman from one apartment have been detained and a firearm was seized. Now our cameras caught one of them being taken in cuffs. We've been speaking to people passing by and they tell us this is just another part of the chaos this spring break. Spring break in full swing on a Monday night in Miami Beach.
We just finished week 5, 163 arrests, 69 of those felonies.
Police tell us plenty of guns, drugs, and cash were confiscated. Our cameras captured the moments officers responded to reports of gunfire just before 9 p.m. on 6th Street and Collins. Within 30 minutes, a man found shot and killed near Pine Tree Drive and 24th Street.
It is unclear at this moment if the two are officially connected.
Neighbors telling us what they heard and saw last night.
There were cops everywhere. There's caution tape. I can't even walk out on my front porch.
This all happened right here on 24th Street. The Tradewinds apartment and hotel to my right tells me this had nothing to do with them, but they were able to hand over surveillance video to police. Miami Beach Mayor Dan Gelber on his State of the City address.
The entertainment district must go.
The mayor saying the city is trying to keep up, proposing saturating the streets with officers, calling in men and women in uniform from other departments to help, adding security cameras, creating a full-time 24/7 crime center, and increasing code enforcement on visitors. Now back out live here at Drexel Avenue and 16th Street. You can still see some police activity from those two people that were detained. Now Miami-Dade police officers have been helping Miami Beach police officers on the weekends during spring break. We are working to get more information for you on that man shot and this story here. You can count on us to bring you more. I'm live in Miami Beach. Annalise Garcia, Local 10 News.